Hey guys, this is Logitech G915 X gaming keyboard. When gaming, get fantastic, stay in control with Logitech G915 mechanical gaming keyboard. With low profile GL switch, it gives you all the speed accuracy to win the game. The 9 programmable G key lets you stay up macros with the G Hub software too. It's with low profile switch, super comfortable so you can game longer. You don't need any setup, just plug it into USB port and start gaming. Its dedicated media control lets you add inspirational soundtrack to epic battle, made to last for years to come. The BPT key caps won't fade during intense game. This is what we have here. Is super light numerical keyboard, yes, and the USB type C is compatible with Windows and Mac. Mechanical keyboard, backlight keys, RGB LED lighting, programmable keys 9, media type key, yes, cable 1.8 meter. Other features: key control, numpad, BPT key locks, macro key 3, 30 hours plus battery life. Logitech G915 X LIGHTSPEED wireless mechanical gaming keyboard with low profile GL tactile key switch, premium AL/MG build, beautiful crafted. The G915X uses aircraft grade aluminum alloy to deliver an incredibly thin yet strong and durable design. Endless control, programmable key. We're going to check this stuff out. Look at that, super light. You can see what it looks like. You switch it on and off from this button here, and you can see the light is on. Super light. You have the power cable. And information. You also have this, connect this wireless. So this is what we have here. You can see what it looks like. So these are the stuff included in the packaging. Very smooth and very light. Logitech G915X super light, low profile wireless gaming keyboard. So this is the unboxing. I'm happy with this stuff. It deserves your attention. Thank you.